Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Altec Lansing HydraMotion wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might want to do this hard reset for a variety of reasons. If the speaker won't connect to your Bluetooth, or if it keeps disconnecting, or if it's stuck connecting to the wrong device, and any kind of connection issues like that can be fixed very often with a hard reset. Now, if you do this, you will need to repair it with your devices, but if you're ready to do that, we can go ahead. It's pretty easy. There's actually two things you can do. The first one is you actually in the charging port, there's a small reset button you can press, and this will hard reset everything to the default factory settings. And what I'm going to show you is just going to fully reset the Bluetooth. It's going to delete all of the devices and everything like that. So all you need to do that is to come in here and press and hold the microphone button. And you're going to hold the microphone button for, sorry, I should say this, your speaker needs to be on. And you're going to come and press and hold the microphone button. And you're going to hold it. It's going to beep once. That's going to actually turn the Bluetooth off. Just keep on holding it for another 5 seconds. After 10 seconds, the Bluetooth speaker will turn off, at which point you can let go and you can turn the speaker back on and all of the Bluetooth settings will be reset.